Well, Parambir Singh, who has several FIRs against him, is reportedly on the run, according to sources. The Justice Chandiwal Commission has now issued an ultimatum to the former Mumbai Police Commissioner to appear before it for a hearing or face arrest.
Former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh's whereabouts remain uncertain. Sources suggest he is on the run after several FIRs have been filed against him on charges of extortion. A lookout notice has also been issued on Parambir Singh. The Justice Chandiwal Commission has now said that if Parambir Singh is not present before them for the next hearing, a warrant will be issued against him. This ultimatum has come after the lawyers of Sanjeev Palande and Kundan Shinde complained against the absence of Parambir Singh. Sanjeev Palande and Kundan Shinde are said to be associates of former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh, against whom Parambir has levelled serious extortion allegations. More trouble seems to be mounting for Parambir, as his old reportee Sachin Waze is said to have deposed against the former Mumbai top cop. Parambir Singh has repeatedly failed to appear for hearings despite the commission slapping fines for his absence.
So basically, Mumbai Police Commissioner, that is former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh, has been defying summons by the Chandiwal Commission ever since it started. So we've seen that previously there were 25,000 worth fine issued to him twice by this commission, and today particularly because this commission is looking at the larger Vasuli Gate scandal. Now let us understand that it was Parambir Singh who had in a letter exposed that it was then former Home Minister Anil Deshmukh who had asked for 100 crore from Sachin Waze and his team. And in that context, now Chandiwal Commission is looking into this entire issue, and that is why all of these people concerned with the Vasuli Gate scandal, be it Sachin Waze, be it Anil Deshmukh's representatives, or for that matter even Sanjeev Palande, they are all being questioned by Chandiwal Commission to understand this entire nexus.
It remains to be seen if Parambir Singh will arrive for the next hearing, which is scheduled for September 7. Bureau Report, Republic TV.
In fact, news just coming in, Parambir Singh's lawyer Anukul Seth has said that the former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh has deposited 50,000 rupees that have been imposed by the Justice Chandiwal Commission in the CM's COVID-19 relief fund for failing to appear before it on several occasions. Alisha on the phone line with me for more details on this. Alisha, we understand now that the panel has adjourned proceedings till the 7th of September. Give us more details.
देखिए, बिल्कुल महाराष्ट्र सरकार की ओर से इस मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग केस को लेकर और जो एक्सटॉर्शन का केस खुद जहां पर परमबीर सिंह की ओर से अनिल देशमुख पर लगाए गए थे, उसके बाद महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट की ओर से हाई लेवल सिंगल हेड जस्टिस चंदीवल कमेटी जो है कमीशन ये गठित की गई थी। इसके बाद लगातार जो है सबसे पहले परमबीर सिंह को 3 बार ऑलरेडी समन्स दे चुके गए थे, लेकिन तीनों समन्स में जो है परमबीर सिंह ने स्किप किया गया था, जिसके बाद एक फाइन जो है वो इम्पोज किया गया था। हालांकि पहले फाइन जो कि 5,000 का था, लेकिन सेकेंड समन और थर्ड समन में परमबीर सिंह को जो है खुद 25,000 का फाइन जो है पर ईच लगाए गए थे, यानी 50,000 जो है वो चीफ मिनिस्टर फंड कोविड-19 रिलीफ फंड पर उनको डिपॉजिट करने के लिए कहे गए थे। और वहीं पर अब मुख्यमंत्री उद्धव ठाकरे और साथ ही अब जहां परमबीर सिंह के लॉयर की ओर से बताया जा रहा है कि 50,000 जो है जो जस्टिस चंदीवल की ओर से कमीशन की ओर से जो इम्पोज किए गए थे वो अब जो है भर दिए गए हैं चीफ मिनिस्टर कोविड-19 रिलीफ फंड पर।
All right, Alisha, bringing us the latest on that. Thank you.